Hi guys, welcome to WN90 channel. Today I will do the unboxing and review video for 70mm Dashcam from Xiaomi. So this is the English version of the dash camera. It comes together with Wi-Fi. So we'll just let you see. So it's a different kind of box from the original. So for China version, I believe there is some other logo on here, but this one looks pretty simple. So we just open it. So we have here the sticker for, you can see it. Yeah, but it's just a sticker to on your cars before you put this dash camera on your glass, because this will keep it safe. You won't have any gums on your glass when you remove this dash camera. So this is the box manual. How you want to install this: speakers, the screws, power key, reset, TF card, USB slotting. Only one button here, the mounting bracket. So it's 180p 330 fps, 130 degree aperture, f 2.2. Also have RAM. Wow. Storage. Also I bought this together with this RAM. This TF card 64GB, which is the maximum class 10. Yeah, it has Wi-Fi here, so you can download the apps by scanning this code. So you will have from Google Play Store, I believe. User manual. User guide. Install app. Oh, this one is for the apps. Safety precautions. So you can read all this when you play this. So you can open here and open here to get some items from here. From here you can get this cable. And then from here you can put up the camera. In these small boxes. This cigarette charger. So put this on this, and this is connected to here. So I already sorting my SD card here. So wait, when you bought this, it didn't come like this, okay? This is mine. You can take this easily, put it back. So you can, so after you put this, on your glass and put this together like this. Then camera, the glass is this way, so you just install. You just test it using my power bank just to test it. So here I have. Just put on this.
Start recording.
See, you can see the green. Green means it is recording. So you have to get the apps to see what is happening, or you have to pull out the SD card and then connect it to your computers, then you can see the videos. Yeah, I will do other videos to just to let you see how is the performance of this camera. It's pretty good actually. So that is all. If you have any comments, please do it below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Goodbye.